Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Penguin. To create this model, I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the cross crease by keeping the white side on the top. Now bring these two sides to the center crease to create a kite base. Open the flaps and bring this tip to the center point and crease only in the center. Now bring this tip to that point and make a crease. Now rotate the model and bring this side to the center and make a new crease in the side. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now open these two flaps and fold this area into half. Then bring this tip to the center point and make a new crease. Turn the model and align these two sides. Turn the model and you can see a V-shaped crease here. Fold the flap by aligning this tip on this crease line and also this point with this flap. Open the flap and repeat the same thing on the other side too, aligning this tip with this crease line by aligning the bottom crease point also. Then fold the flap to the outside. By keeping the crease line parallel to this flap. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Fold the flap as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Fold this flap as shown. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Lift the flap and in the bottom flap you have to fold a small triangle inside to give the curve shape. Same thing on the other side too. Now here you have to lift one flap and fold it down and make a new crease. Turn the model and fold these two flaps inside to create the feet. Then fold a small triangle here to create the beak. You can draw the eyes and color the beak. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.